Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Are you a fan of the iPhone and a user of it? Apple encouraged users to back up their data to their iCloud or iTunes regularly. This way, you'll have a support copy of data and information in case your iPhone is ever lost, damaged, and replaced. These situations are inevitable, and if this misfortune really happens to you and looking for a way to view iPhone backup files to recover photos, videos, and other files from your iCloud backup, you are in the right video. There are many tools to view and extract files from iCloud backup. However, you must be wise in choosing the best tool for you. We recommend FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery. This tool can preview detailed iOS data, which means you can view and look for every data you stored on your iCloud backup. Also, you can recover deleted or lost data from iOS devices and iCloud backup directly. And to make you assured, this tool has a high recovery rate. To get this tool, visit our page, FoneLab.com, or click the link in the description. Download this tool, and we will show you how to view and extract files from your iCloud backup. To begin, open the tool you've downloaded. On the tool's main interface, there are tool features for iOS issues. Select the iPhone Data Recovery. Once centered, you will see three kinds of recovery. Choose Recovery from iCloud among them. Afterward, the tool will ask for your Apple ID and password. A two-factor authentication will show up, and you will get the code from your device to make sure you are the owner. Please be mindful of the instructions below. Once entered, mark the file types you want to view and click Start to scan. After that, the tool will show all the data stored on your iCloud backup. Mark all the data in every file type you want to recover. And once done, click the Recover button. Wait until the process to finish, and as easy as that, your data are recovered. Undoubtedly, iCloud helps most iPhone users back up their data so that they can extract them once they face inevitable data loss. And FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery is the best tool to view and extract files from iCloud backup. With its ability to view iCloud backup and high recovery rate, you will no longer worry about data loss. So what are you waiting for? Get FoneLab iPhone Data Recovery now. We hope this helps you. For more videos, visit our channel FoneLab. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.